Welcome to Automation Community. Kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and videos. So in this session, we are going to see about counters. So counters are also very important instruction in PLC. So what is the working of counter and what is actually counter? So counter in PLC are used to do a count operation. So if you want to count some value, you can make use of the counter instruction. It is used to increment or decrement any event. Okay, it will count. Like the best example I can tell is while packaging, okay, in the industry, maybe in the food industry or in some production industry, they want to count the number of components passed in the conveyor. Okay, so in industry, obviously everything is automatic, right? In a minute, there may be 1,000 of components is crossing the crossing in the conveyor. So you want to make a count how much it has crossed. So in one day or in 1 hour or 1 minute or in 1 second, how many the components or what may be the package or whatever it may be, their product, how much it is crossed. If you want to have a count means you can make use of the counter instruction in PLC. So imagine there is a packaging industry, okay, and they have a sensor in the conveyor line. So in the conveyor line, the package, maybe let's take, food, food package, some fruits or food, okay. So it is coming in the pack. So each and every pack is coming in the line. So they want to count how much package has crossed the conveyor. So they will be putting one sensor in the conveyor. So whenever the package is crossing, no, the sensor is giving one pulse input to the counter. So counter is the virtual device in the PLC instruction. So it will be automatically count whenever the sensor is giving the input. No, so automatically it will count. For example, per day you have a limit. So this much package only has to cross. Let's take an example, 100 pack. So once 100 pack has crossed, it have to create one alarm or it have to turn on some tower lamp. Kind of means you can make use of such instruction. So that is the use of counters in the industry. And we have two types of counters, actually three types of counters. One is up counter and down counter and up down counter. So up counter is like counting from 0 to the upper value. In the example I have given, 100 package means it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that it will count. So down counter is like you will be setting 100 already. Okay, and it will be calculating, okay, one package has crossed means it will down the counter. So 100 is changed to 99. And another 2 to 3 parcel has crossed means it will reduce from 99 to 97 or 96. Like that, down counter will work. And what is this up down counter means? The function of both up counter and down counter will be working in up down counter. And I'll just explain up down counter in the CX supervisor in the next session. So kindly like and subscribe our YouTube videos for updates. So I'll meet you in the next session with up counter and up down counter. Thank you.